another job on the list. More parts from Satchell Engineering. There's a lighter weight pulley kit for the alternator and a belt to suit. So we'll get them fitted. Obviously, alternator pulley, bottom pulley, and the belt. Right, so what I'm going to do today is change the bottom pulley and the alternator pulley. The tensioner needs a good clean, that's seen better days. So I'm not going to put the belt on today, so I'll just change these pulleys. Tools, 22mm spanner at the bottom, 13mm socket for the bolts, 8mm hex to lock the alternator off, and also a 24mm offset ring spanner to get in there and loosen that bolt. Go with a little bit of rock oil, Rockies, that should help get these off. Obviously been quite a while since these have been off. I've had the engine for probably 3-4 years maybe. Okay. I should probably use a socket for this. In fact I will. 22mm socket. That's 3 bolts off, and I'll just pluck it off. If I had any scales I'd weigh it and compare it, but I haven't. What you can see though is the difference in diameter between the Satchell one and the standard one. It's geared down because there's a lot less demand on the alternator. So I'll get that on now. Going to give these threads a clean up and the bolts that have come out, and also that have locked tight. One, rinse and repeat. Torque wrench, no torch, 24mm and a 8mm on there. Oh, break free. Do that. Comes that pulley again. Bit of weight in that. No scales. So I've got this front pulley off this off the alternator, and then the the Satchell kit comes with this spacer piece, which goes on first, and the pulley itself, and then the nut. Just reusing the old nuts, obviously. Why do I keep saying obviously? Why is my hand in the way? So get that tightened up. Quick reference to the Book of Lies. Torque wrench setting, 16 valve engine on the, where are we? 16 valve engine, crankshaft pulley, tuning bolts, 25 newton meters, so I need to do those again. Right, there is no torque setting for this one that I can see anywhere in the book, so that's just going to be FT. Trusty Halford's torque wrench. Job done. And there we have it. Both pulleys now fitted. Lower pulley, alternator pulley, the belt up there ready to go on. I'll just need to clean up this tensioner. I'll get a new one. Feels okay. Bit of paper on there, clean it up.